In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to reset Google Chrome settings on your Android device. Resetting your settings can help resolve issues like slow performance or problems with loading web pages. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. On the Apps page, tap the search icon at the top right and type Chrome to filter through your installed apps. Select Google Chrome from the search results. This will take you to the Chrome app info page. Scroll down a bit and tap on Storage. You'll see two important options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start by tapping Clear Cache. Next, tap Clear Data. A prompt will appear warning you that clearing data will delete all app data, including files, settings, accounts, and databases associated with Google Chrome. It's important to understand that this will reset Chrome to its default state. Tap OK to confirm your decision. And that's it. You've successfully reset Google Chrome settings on your Android device. Keep in mind that clearing data will fix many issues, but you'll need to log back into any accounts associated with Chrome afterward.